Hi everyone. So today we're going to learn how to solve this cube that has all these semicircles in between. Okay, but before we actually look at how to solve this, we need to learn an algorithm to actually rotate these 180 degrees. Okay, that means this piece comes here, this piece comes here, and then this piece comes here, this piece comes here. Okay, because we're going to use it later on when we're trying to solve the cube, as well as in another variation of this cube where we have to pair all these things together. Okay, so let's look at what happens first. Okay, let's just do a check. Okay, before we mix up everything, we just change it to a different color. Okay, so now look at this piece. Okay, if I do it in this orientation, okay, the yellow piece is here, the white is here, the green and the blue. So after we have done this algorithm, these two pieces will swap, and the rest of the cube doesn't really matter to us because I just want to swap this piece. Okay, so it's very simple. It's just R prime L R prime L R and L prime. Okay, sorry for the mistake. Okay, and then I just repeat this one more time here. Okay, and then in this orientation I repeat the algorithm again. Okay, up, up, down, down. Okay, so now I turn it back and look at this piece. Okay, you can see that the yellow and the white swap place and the green and blue swap place. Okay, so this will be the algorithm that we're going to use when I'm trying to pair all these things up or trying to solve for the center. Okay, so now I have a scrambled cube. Now we're going to solve this cube by solving all these inner semicircles. Okay, so it's just very simple. Okay, go up. Okay, turn it, return. Okay, so it's very simple. We just do it for as many as we can. Right, so I can do a three-way swap here, a two-way swap, sorry. Okay, and then swap it back. Okay, put it back in place, search for other things that we can do. Okay, swap it, and then this green and red. Okay, the blue, yellow, yellow. Very nice. Okay, so we are almost there. This orange, yellow, blue. Okay, I still have one more here. Okay, and then the green. Okay, try and change a side. Okay, and I can do it again. The yellow. Okay, the green over here. Blue and red. Okay, let me see. Okay, I changed the blue here, so nothing else I can do. The blue over here, the yellow. Okay, this one. Okay, this one too. Okay, bring it over here. I can change these two pieces as well. Okay, and then the green, can I bring it to the other side and do it? Okay, I can't. Okay, so let's just see what we can do with just now the algorithm that we just learned. Okay, so if I want to match this blue and this orange, I will need this blue to be over here, right? So remember just now that algorithm that we see. Okay, we'll change these two pieces and these two pieces. So these two are the same, so it doesn't matter. It's just interchanging it, but I'm going to change these two pieces. So once I change these two pieces, I can match them together, right? Okay, so I'm just going to do that. Okay, so up, up, down, down once, and I do it twice here. Okay, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down, and then up, up, down, down. Okay, so now I would have swapped the two positions, so you can see I can change these two pieces, right? Okay, and then I see, can I, okay, this is good, and this is good as well. Okay, then I want to do these two pieces. Okay, and we're almost done. Okay, so again you will see that this green not green, sorry, this white, okay, if it's over here, I will be able to pair it with this piece here, right? So I'm going to swap these two. Okay, again, oops, sorry, it dropped out. Okay, oh, where am I? Okay, sorry, let's do it again. Okay, so up, up, down, down, do it twice here, once and twice. Okay, then turn over here, do it again. Okay, so now these two pieces I can swap it, so let's swap it. Okay, and then I will be left with these two pieces. So in this case, I need to change this trajectory first to make sure they can be on the same side. So once they're on the same side, I will make use of this piece to actually help me do the swap. Okay, and ta-da, you have reduced this to just a skewb. So whatever that you're going to do now is just how you solve a skewb cube. Okay, so the method that I'm going to use is again a combination of what we have learned just now. Okay, the up, up, down, down. Okay, so very simple. I'm going to solve 4 white corners first. Okay, so let's try and solve corners first. Okay, so these 2 corners are solved, and then this orange, white. Okay, this white is also here, so the last one is actually this one. Okay, put it here, sorry, let's take a look. Okay, this white, put it here first, turn it up first. Okay, do it again, get it up. Okay, so now I have the 4 corners here done. Let's turn it over. I should have the white, the yellow color on top, right? So I have 2 pieces here. I'm gonna mess it up. Okay, remember just now the up, up, down, down we did. Okay, what will happen is that it will turn this anti-clockwise, this one anti-clockwise, and then these 2, it will be turned clockwise. So now that I have 2 correct and 2 wrong, okay, I need to make all 4 wrongs. So what will happen is that if this is turned anti-clockwise, the yellow will be here, and if I make the yellow turn anti-clockwise here, it will become here. So if this 2 is wrong, okay, that means there's no yellow over here. These 2 will also be the same case, okay, because what will happen is this goes clockwise, the yellow becomes here. This goes clockwise, it becomes here. So that's very good for us, correct? So I just do once, and you see all of them are not on top. Then now I just need to find the correct way to make them all come up. So if I do it anti-clockwise here, the yellow will come over here. Okay, if I do the anti-clockwise on this piece, the yellow will come up, this yellow will come up, these 2 will be solved. Okay, so I just do it once, and all will be solved. So now the next step will be to rotate the not rotate, permutate the center pieces. Okay, so what will happen is that, okay, I'm still going to make use of up, up, down, down, but in a different way. So the front will go to the back will go to the top will go to the front. So let's see. Okay, so the yellow, I want to go to the back. Okay, I just do it one by one. Okay, so I do this up, up, down, down. Okay, turn it over, do it again, up, up, down, down. So what happens is that the white, the yellow went to the back, the white came up, and the orange came down. Alright, so now I put it as my bottom, and I try to solve it with the rest. So this red, I want it to go to the back. Okay, so same thing, up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. So the red is soft, the orange is soft. Now I just need to do for the three faces, three centers pieces. So this go to the back, this come up, this come down, and I'm done. So up, up, down, down, turn to the back, up, up, down, down, and we are done. Thanks for watching.